Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Mehreen Qasim and I am from PMEI school system. As you know, in our previous video, we discussed transitive and intransitive verbs. So, today in this video, we are going to discuss present participle from unit number 3, and that is dreams, and the theme of this unit is ambition. Let's start our lecture. The topic is present participle. What is present participle? What is the definition of it? Present participle is a form of verb that uses ing with the base form of the verb. Base form of the verb plus ing is called present participle form. What are different forms of the verbs? There are fifth form of the verbs, and they are: number 1 is the first form of the verb, that is called present tense, and examples are do, sit, write, use, give, usually called base form of the verb. V2 is the second form of the verb, जिसको हम simple past कहते हैं. verb की second form जिसको हम simple past कहते हैं, और इसकी जो examples हैं वो हैं did, sat, wrote, used, gave. verb की third form को क्या कहा जाता है? past participle. इसकी examples हैं done, sat, written, used and given. verb की जो fourth form होती है, that is the fourth form of the verb, जो कि V4 है, उसको हम present participle कहते हैं, which we are going to discuss right now. Example: doing, sitting, writing, using and giving. Verb fifth form is simple present, and that is does, sits, writes, uses and gives. Okay, let's have some other examples just to clear the meaning, right? So the first one is try, tried, tried, trying and tries. Verb अगर हम बोलें कि these are the 5 form of the verbs, तो हम बोलेंगे कि V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. तो V1 में we have asked, V2 में we have asked, V3 में we have asked, V4 में we have asking, V5 में we have asks, right? So we have mean, meant, meaning and means. We have talk, talked, talked, talking and talks. We have love, loved, loved, loving and loves. We have write, wrote, written, writing and writes. Hopefully these are all 5 form of the verbs are clear to you now. The base form love and drink, the S form loves and drinks, the past form loved and drank, the ing form loving and drinking, and the past participle form loved and drunk. We are discussing ing form. ing form of the verb is called present participle, right? Present participle is a form of verb that uses ing with the base form of the verb. If we add ing to base form of a verb, it will create the present participle. For example, swimming, eating, writing, walking, reading, rolling, etc. Right? It performs the function of an adjective. यानी ये verb ing जो base form के साथ हमने ing put किया है, ये function करता है adjective का. Though it also works as a verb or a subject in construction, etc., this verb form is completely regular. Okay, what is meant by regular and what is irregular? What are regular verbs and what are irregular verbs? Regular verbs are those verbs which ends on ed, ied, d or t. Like walk, walked, walked, जिनकी second और third form जो है वो usually we put d, ied, d and t in it. Cook, cooked, cooked, look, looked, wait, waited, learn, learned, right? What are irregular forms? Irregular forms जो होते हैं वो verb के forms होते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं कि वो उनका second and third form जो है वो change हो जाते हैं, ठीक है? और हम likewise we have examples of go, went, gone, come, came, come, catch, caught, awake, awoke, awaken, write, wrote, written. राइट तो इनकी सेकंड थर्ड फॉर्म इरेगुलर जो वर्ब्स होते हैं चेंज हो जाते हैं, उनकी और रेगुलर की जो है चेंज नहीं होती, ठीक है? तो हमारे पास वी हैव सम एग्जांपल्स लाइक जब प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल एज एन एडजेक्टिव यूज़ होता है किसी सेंटेंस में, इसका जो है वो पर्पस क्या होता है, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि इसका जो फंक्शन है या इसका पर्पस होता है वो एडजेक्टिव के तौर पे चूंकि ये काम कर रहा होता है, तो इट मॉडिफाइज नाउन इन अ सेंटेंस। तो ये नाउन को मॉडिफाई कर रहा होता है किसी भी सेंटेंस में। इफ़ वी से कि प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल एज एन एडजेक्टिव, तो वी हैव सम एग्जाम्पल्स हियर एंड दे आर अ सरप्राइजिंग न्यूज़, interesting personality, a running line, rolling stone, printing machine, writing pen, dancing doll, rotten food, broken chair, painted wall, stolen car, tattered paper, right? अगर नाउन से पहले थर्ड फॉर्म या आईएनजी फॉर्म यूज़ करें तो उसे हम पार्टिसिपल एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं। Okay, functions of present participle. As an adjective, now we have some examples in the form of sentences. He saw a sleeping cat yesterday, right? Don't try to catch a running bus. Cat, bus, and marble. These are all nouns, and the words which are modifying these three nouns are sleeping, running, and glowing. So here the present participle is using as an adjective, or it is modifying the noun cat, bus, and marble, right? In these sentences, present participle are used as an adjective because they are modifying the nouns cat, bus and marble. कैट, बस और मार्बल को जो चीज़ मॉडिफाई कर रही है, उनके बारे में हमें नॉलेज दे रही है, हमें बता रही है, वो जो है वो स्लीपिंग है, रनिंग है, ग्लोइंग है। विच टाइप ऑफ मार्बल, वट टाइप ऑफ बस, और कौन सी कैट की बात हो रही है? द कैट विच इज़ स्लीपिंग, द कैट दैट इज स्लीपिंग, राइट? Present participle appear in progressive or continuous verb tense, which show when a verb or action is in the process of happening. For example, जब हम इसका टेंस बनाते हैं, जब प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल जो है वो टेंस वाइज यूज होता है, तो इसके एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हैं? शी इज राइटिंग अ लेटर नाउ. राइटिंग हेयर इज नाउ showing an action. The baby was sleeping in the cart. Here again action is showing. I am playing cricket with my friends. Playing, sleeping, and writing. If I said I am writing a letter, he is throwing the ball. Right? Okay. Present participle is mostly used as a verb and an adjective, but when it is used as a gerund, it is mostly in the noun form used as a subject of a sentence. Okay. You know very well that both a gerund and a present participle come from a verb, and both end in ing. However, each has a different function. दोनों ing पे end होते हैं, base form of the verb plus ing. दोनों जो हैं वो सेम स्ट्रक्चर है, बट अ gerund acts like a noun while a present participle acts like a verb or adjective, right? ये नाउन के तौर पे जब यूज़ होगा तो जेरेंड कहलाएगा। जब हम प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल को सब्जेक्ट के तौर पे यूज़ करेंगे तो ये जेरेंड के तौर पे यूज़ हो सकते हैं। हम इनको बोलेंगे कि जब हम इनको नाउन के तौर पे यूज़ करते हैं सेंटेंस में तो ये जेरेंड बन जाते हैं। जब हम इसको एक्शन के तौर पे या हमने सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना होता है या हमने एक्शन शो करना है या हमने टेंस फॉर्म करना है तो हम इसको जो है एज ए टेंस यूज़ करते हैं, और इस तरह जो है हम इसको एडजेक्टिव के तौर पर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो ये 3 कंडीशंस हैं, राइट? लाइक इफ़ आई सेड कि रनिंग वॉज टफ ऑन माई नीज़, तो यहाँ पे रनिंग जो है दैट इज़ एन एक्शन, बट यहाँ पे एज ए सब्जेक्ट यूज़ हुआ है तो यहाँ पे एज ए जेरेंड हो जाएगा, एज ए नाउन। देयर इज़ नो रनिंग वाटर इन द अपार्टमेंट, आई हेट मूविंग हाउस, द ग्राउंड वॉज मूविंग अंडर माई फीट। ओके, स्मोकिंग इज़ इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, स्मोकिंग इज़ इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ। Reading is an action, smoking is an action, playing is an action, but they are using as a subject here, as a noun here, right? That's the reason we are saying that these sentences are in a gerund form. Playing is good for health, reading books is the best hobby. Smoking is injurious to health. Okay, dear students, this is it. This is it for today. Hopefully, this lecture would be helpful for you. Present participle. What is present participle? Present participle base form plus ing. It is used as adjective. It is also used as a gerund in the sentence, and it is used as a tense in the sentence. Thank you so much.